Looking at the easy way to totally transform our tiling, whether that be in the bathroom, the kitchen, floor tiling, wall tiling, it's all very simple. Follow the same steps, and we only need, on top of the product, the Grout Magic and some cleaner, we only need a few household easily accessible items: a water spray, disposable gloves, old toothbrush, a couple of sponges and a cloth. That's all we need. So the first thing we need to do to make sure that Grout Magic can adhere correctly is clean the tiles. So after the cleaning, we're ready to do a small test area. So as you can see, you don't need to be too precise. Just get the product on quickly. In about 20 minutes, we'll be looking to remove the excess. So the room we're working in is actually quite warm, and we found that 15 minutes was about perfect for removing the excess from the test area. So I've waited about 15 minutes again, and during that time I've been gently working the product into the seams a little bit to see how it is drying off. On some areas you might need just the one coat, on some areas two, but I think now we're about ready to remove the excess product. So only my second time using the product. I must say, second time went far better than the first. Mistake I made originally was just leaving that product on the tiles a little bit too long. Temperatures were quite warm. We left it on there, 25, maybe even 30 minutes, and it had just adhered a little bit too much, making it harder to remove. This time round, not only did I put the product on very sparingly, I was very conscious of 15-20 minutes, and I found it useful during that time to gently work the product in with the brush. That helped me judge how well it was drying and the perfect time to remove the excess. So overall, I'm very pleased with the end result. Could be a few little areas where if you wanted to be a perfectionist, you would apply a second coat, but generally one coat and it's worked out very well. Hopefully you enjoyed our video. It'd be great if you could give us a like and subscribe to our channel, where you'll find a whole range of videos that cover how to clean and seal and protect and maintain a wide range of surfaces you would find around the home.